Hey everybody, Desert Rambler here, coming at you with another adventure out in Death Valley. Heading out to the Panamint Dunes with Minnesota Jeff. But we're going to try to do something a little bit different today. So I don't know if this will show up, but on the USGS map here, you can see where I have those two red markers. So there is a road, two roads that used to come in to Panamint Dunes. When this was open to ATVs and off-roaders, they would come in off of 190 and you could drive all the way up to the dunes. Well, a couple years ago I discovered that those roads are still somewhat there, and it makes for a much easier walking out to the dunes rather than going straight there. But also in doing so, I discovered that there's some remnants of campsites out there with motor parts and spark plugs and all kinds of stuff that campers had left behind. So I'm just going to try to go out there and see what I can find. So make it a little bit of a different hike out to the dunes. Now we just start heading towards the dunes. Another little fire ring here next to the road. And we've run across a few beer bottles, beer cans. So we're pretty much at the end of the road. And now I would consider this as part of the dunes where we start heading up, and it's mostly sand. We're finally making it to the base of the dunes. Four miles to here, 2 hours. That's with a couple rest stops and water stops. We got about 10 minutes of sunlight before it goes over the ridge. And then it'll be dusk conditions for quite a while.